Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing multi-account containers and creating named containers like work, personal, and banking so contexts are clear. Once done, pin the extension for fast access. It speeds switching. Make sure you set site assignment when creating a container so cookies and logins stay separated. You should also enable container color and icon. Visual cues reduce mistakes. Finally, open a tab in each container to confirm isolation, because seeing different sessions immediately proves the setup works. Next, assign sites to containers to automate placement. Open a site, choose Always Open in this container, and the extension will remember. Once assigned, use containerized bookmarks and tab groups to load related sites together. This organizes workflows and reduces context switching. For sensitive or trial sites, use a temporary container so nothing persists. Also adjust exceptions when a site fails. Moving it to a different container often resolves cross-site login conflicts or broken sessions without breaking your routine. To finish, keep containers tidy. Rename or delete unused containers and update assignments as your needs change. For stubborn login conflicts, clear that containers cookies or open the site in a private window to compare behavior. This isolates whether the extension or site settings are at fault. Make sure extension updates are current and temporarily disable other privacy or cookie manager add-ons if things break. If a site still misbehaves, move it to a new container and reassign. It usually fixes session crossover issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.